rebuilding the computer. It's all been cleaned up and tidied up. It's placed correctly. It's neat and easy, but the operating system, well, it's one of the most frustrating components of any computer, as I'm sure you know. I want to take this through and clean up a kind of a Windows-based PC, just a general overview of things you can do just to get a little more memory, a little more speed, and a little less frustration out of your computer. I'm going to type in msconfig, all one word. This is kind of how operating system default boots up. It's just this normal startup, and there's a lot of these programs running all the time that you probably don't use, or you definitely don't need running all the time. By choosing selective startup, then I can get into the startup menu, and I can start to check off which ones of these I use, which ones I don't. You're not removing it from the computer, you're just telling the computer not to run it all the time and not to eat up memory constantly with it. So I'm going to disable everything except a couple programs. Anything related directly to Windows or any antivirus or any kind of internet security program. Everything else is going away.